This is a test for supraspinatus tendon irritation. It's called an empty can test, and you'll find out why it's called that in a second. But basically, the supraspinatus tendon is the tendon that's on top. So it is the most commonly irritated or torn rotator cuff tendon just because of where it's placed. It's right on top of your rotator cuff where it's common to get impingement syndrome in your shoulder. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to stick your arm out to the side like this, and then kind of, if you pretend you had a can in your hand, if you dump that can out, or if you just took your hand and then you pointed your thumb down towards the ground, then that would be the starting position for that. If getting into this position is irritating, it's a pretty good indication you have a supraspinatus tendon irritation. But from here, if you get to here, and then hold this position and with your other hand, kind of put pressure down, and if you put, the more pressure that you put down, if that pain increases, especially right in the front of the shoulder where that tendon is, that's a pretty good indication you have some kind of irritation of that supraspinatus tendon, or even possibly a tear. If you can't even assume that position, meaning if you can't even get into that position without having significant pain or even being able to do it, you see a lot of compensation. It's a really good indication you have something going on with that supraspinatus tendon.